Everybody's got a bunch of these little bits laying around. Welcome back to the series where we're trying to earn a free Bambu 3D printer by uploading models on MakerWorld. So today I decided to design a sweet 3D printable screwdriver handle which holds extra tips in the base. I printed these things out in a variety of different colors. I have my green one here. This wood is relatively soft, so it should be no problem for this guy. Now this isn't going to be the strongest handle ever, but we will put it to the test. This test is going to be a true test of what this screwdriver handle will take, because this wood is super hard and I had to use an impact gun to put these in. So let's give it a try. I'm sure this thing's going to strip out. Yeah, stripped out the handle. But yeah, see, the bit is just stripping inside of the screwdriver. Is it still functional, or is it pretty much ruined? Yeah, it still works. One thing I do notice when I'm unscrewing, sometimes the cap is unscrewing a bit, but it is what it is. When you tighten though, it's just gonna tighten that cap down. So we know this thing isn't the toughest. I don't know if you can see the damage on the corners of the hex, but it is functional and it works for probably most use cases around the house. I really put it through hell. Also, if the bits start to get a little sloppy over time, as you can see, there's a little 3mm circle extrusion in the bottom of the bit slot. That allows you to ingrain a magnet in the bottom there so that it will hopefully hold the bit in the slot for you if it loosens up a bit. And as you can see, that is on every one of the bit slots. You know, it's not going to be bulletproof, but it is functional. I think this is a design that has a nice appeal to the eye, and I'm hoping it does well on MakerWorld. So let me know down in the comments, do you think this screwdriver is going to do well on MakerWorld, or do you think it's going to be a flop like the toilet paper holder? Let me know down in the comments, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.